looking at the review sentences from the previous lesson, we wanted to know whether these 5 sentences were causative sentences or passive causative sentences. As we studied in the previous lesson and the lesson before that, causative sentences are subject plus have, let, or make only, an object, which is usually a person, and a base verb. The passive causative were subject plus have and get only. The object plus an object, object is a thing, and a past participle. 以前勉強した通りには、詞域動詞の方は主語 plus have, let, or make だけです。目的語は人 plus 基本の動詞、基本の形だけ。次は詞域の受け身は主語 plus have and get だけです。目的語でもこの時の目的語はものです。plus past participle 過去分詞です。So looking at the first one, he had the barber cut his hair. In the first one, we can see that we have, past tense of have. Both causative and passive causative have, so we can't tell from this. Next we see we have the barber. Barber is a person, so this must be the causative sentence. If we continue looking, the verb, he had the barber cut. Cut doesn't change for past tense or the past participle, so we can't tell from that. So in this sentence, we can only tell by the barber. And since the object is the barber, this must be a causative sentence. So this is a C in the first one. Cut is the same, so present tense is cut, past tense is cut, and past participle is cut. So we can't tell from that. So 1番目の方は目的語が人なので causative ですね。詞域動詞の文章です。And looking at number 2. 2番目 he had his hair cut by the barber. Have causative and passive causative both have haves. Next, hair. Hair is a thing. So this will be the passive causative and by the barber. So this is also cut. We don't know, as I said in the first question, if this is a past participle or not. But since we have a thing here, we know that this is the passive causative. 2番目の方は動詞は have. So これでわからないけど、目的語はもの。この目的語はものなので、passive causative。詞域の受け身の形です。And 3番目。The boss had the manager write the report. これ、this one is also have, so we don't know from the verb. But the next one is manager. Manager is the object and manager is a person, so this must be the causative. And we can see that this is also base form. Not wrote or written, but write in the base form. So this must be a causative sentence. 3番目の方はまた have なのでわからないけど、その次の目的語は人。これ人プラス動詞が原型なので、これは詞域動詞の形です。4番目 My sister got her dog's nails clipped. Got is not a causative, only have, let, and make, so this one must be a passive causative. Got and this is also can be the thing, her dog's nails, And then clipped is the past participle. So 4番目の方は基本の動詞が get。これを過去形だけど get なので、これは詞域の受け身の形です。それと目的語もので、これが過去分詞です。なので、詞域の受け身の形です。5番目。He makes his daughter do her homework every day. Verb is make. Only the causative sentences have a make verb. So this must be causative. And 目的語, the object is a person. And then we have 原形 base verb here. So it's clearly a causative sentence. 5番目の方は make の動詞を使っているので、これは詞域動詞の形です。で、その後は人。で、その後は気温の動詞の形なので、これは詞域動詞の形です。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please make a sentence in the passive causative form and the causative form in the comments below, and I'll check that for you. If you like my lesson, please subscribe, and see you next time.